Hello class 7. Today we are continuing with our 7th chapter and our topic is feudalism. There we will see feudal castles. So today's topic is feudal castle. There we will see the nature of the castles and what role the castles played in protection of Europe during the Middle Ages. So there what we see is that during the feudal ages or during the Middle Ages, when feudal system or feudalism developed, during this time castle became very important. This castle played an important role and these castles were the place where the king used to live and the feudal lords used to maintain the army for the protection of the castle. So this was the main role for which the land was given to the feudal lords, and these castles played an important role during the medieval ages in time of feudalism. It is from 9th to 13th century. In this situation we will see that what was the nature of the castle or how it was built. So there we will see these castles were mainly built massive, they were very big, and this were for the kings to reside. And there we see that the castles were mainly built on hilltops and behind some streams. So that is one of the important factor, that they were mainly built on hilltops and behind some streams. So this was for the protection of the castle. If they are built on hilltops and behind any stream, it is not easy to reach the castle. Moreover, we see they were surrounded by any water body or moats. So castles were surrounded by moats or any water bodies. And we also have to remember one thing, that these castles, the feudal castle which was built, they were always surrounded by deep ditch. So deep ditch was dug and the castle was surrounded by deep ditch, and here we see that it was not easy, the ditch was so deep that it was not easy to reach the castle door. And if anybody has to reach the castle door, they needed a drawbridge. That was another nature of the feudal castle, that a drawbridge was necessary like this, and if anybody is trying to reach the castle door, they have to reach through the drawbridge. So when the king or the king's men are going to the castle, then the drawbridge was opened, the hanging bridge or the drawbridge was opened, then the king and the king's men used to go from there. But when enemy is attacking, then the drawbridge was pulled up. In normal time, when nobody is going to the castle, the drawbridge or the hanging bridge was pulled up. So nobody could easily go to the castle. They have to fill the ditch with stones or mud, then they can go to the castle, because the ditch in front of the castle was very big. And these castles had tall towers, and on top of the towers we see guards were posted for guarding these castles. Also we see that mailed horsemen were kept for protection of the castle from foreign invasion. Another thing is that here in these castles there was a basement floor also underneath the castle, and in these basement floor foods and provisions were stored, so that in time of attack the king could spend some day in the basement. And there were tunnels also. So if the castle is besieged, if it is captured somehow, it was very difficult to capture the castle, but if somehow the enemy captured the castle, surrounded it from all sides, then underneath the castle there was basement, and with the basement there was tunnel system. Through those tunnels the king could flee to any other place. So even if the castle was captured or besieged, the king could save his life. This was how the castle was made. So castle during the feudal age was very important. How it was built, where it was built, that you have to remember. Another thing that you have to prepare is the role of castle during the feudal ages. So you see that castles played an important role in protection of Europe. That was the main role that they played. So protection of, we come to Europe later, but first we see it protected the feudal lords, it protected the king. So protection of the king was the main role of the castle. These castles protected the king from foreign invasion, from outside invasion, and also from internal threats. Sometimes there was peasants' rebellion, as we have seen. Sometimes the peasants also tried to attack the feudal lords, the king. In this situation also the castle protected the king. The king was inside the castle and it was never easy to reach the king. In this scenario, what we will see is that the castles, how it was built. The castles were fortified with high walls, very high and very thick walls. And you see that as the castle's wall was so strong, stones were used for making the castle walls. The fortification was so strong, it was very difficult to break the wall of the castles. So this was a symbol of power. The role of castle, when you write, you have to mention that the castles were symbol of power of the feudal lords. Feudal lords are maintaining the army for the king. So these castles were the symbol of power of the king, as well as they were the symbol of power for the feudal lords. So these castles played an important role as a symbol of power of the feudal lords. And the peasants or the farmers who were tortured so much in this feudal system, they used to hate these castles. So they never liked this castle because it was impenetrable. Nobody could penetrate inside the castle. That was one important features of the feudal castle, that nobody could easily penetrate into the castle. Also we see that the guards were posted on the walls. Castle was surrounded by high walls, and on each wall we see that the guards were posted. So if they sense any threat, if they can see from over the wall that if any threat or any attack is coming towards the castle, in this situation they could easily attack the invader and they could defeat them before they could reach the castle. They used to shoot from their cannons, from their arms. So like this we see that the castles were very much safe and protected, and it protected the king. Also we see that it protected Europe from foreign invasion, because in this situation many foreign invaders were trying to attack Europe, like the Saracens, the Arab Muslims. We see that the Saracens had tried to attack Europe, and in this situation the castles protected Europe, protected the king. And as they are protecting the king and the guards who are guarding the castle, they could get the information beforehand. From the tall towers of the castle, they could see far behind, and when the invaders are coming to attack, they can easily get the information that somebody is trying to attack this castle. They could get ready and they could easily attack back at the invaders. And thus Europe was also saved from this foreign invasion many times with the help of the castles. Another thing is that the barbarian invasion was also there. We have read earlier chapters that during this time barbarian invasion was there, and what we see is that during the barbarian invasions, these castles became the place of shelter for many people, for the soldiers, for the kings, and for the feudal lords also. These castles became a place of shelter from the barbarian attack or the barbarian onslaught. So during barbarian onslaught, we see these castles became a safe shelter, because the barbarians also could not easily enter into these castles. So castles played an important role in protection of the king, in protection of Europe. Also they protected the system of feudalism, which was mainly based on individual allegiance. There we see these castles protected the entire system of feudalism. And we have to remember one thing, that this high impenetrable wall of the castles and the tall towers of the castle played an important role in protection of this entire system, also in protection of Europe during the Middle Ages. So the question that you will prepare from this part, feudal castle, is that one full answer you prepare on the nature and role of the castle. Also separately you will prepare where the castles were built, what were the functions of the castles, and what role did the castle play in the feudal system. These are the questions that we need to prepare from this topic, that is feudal castles. Thank you.